In this video, we will look into class duration. So let's create a new class, duration example. And let's create public static void main. So the use case is to measure duration between two local datetime instances. Let's create a local datetime object. Local datetime is equal to local datetime dot now, and another is local datetime 1 is equal to local datetime dot now, and then plus hours 2. Now we'll create an instance of duration. Duration is equal to duration dot between local datetime and local datetime 1. So we are checking or want to know what's the duration between these two times. And let's print out duration, and we want to measure how many hours difference between this time is. So duration dot 2 hours. So this will print out 2 because there's a 2 hours difference between these two local datetime objects. Now let's run this example. So you can see that duration of 2 hours is equal to 2 because this instance is now and this instance is now plus 2 hours. Now let's look into the factory method of duration. So duration is equal to duration dot off hours and 3, and we want to print out duration dot 2 minutes. So convert the duration, which is 3 hours, and print out what's the duration in minutes in 3 hours. So it printed out 180. Now let's look into the example whether we can convert local time to duration also. So local time dot local time is equal to local time dot now, and local time 1 is equal to local time dot now plus minutes, 60 minutes. And let's print out the duration. Duration is equal to duration dot between and local time and local time 1. Now let's print out the duration. You want to convert this duration to minutes. Now let's run this example. So it printed out duration between these two time, where we have a local time instance of now and local time instance of now plus 60 minutes is 60 minutes. Now let's see whether duration works on the date object. So let's create an instance of local date, and local date is equal to local date dot now, and local date 1 is equal to local date dot now plus days 1. Duration is equal to duration between local date and local date 1, and print out duration. So here we got a exception, and it's saying the unsupported unit seconds. So you cannot have a duration checked between date instances. So only instances where it is supported is where you have time. So just keep in mind that duration cannot be checked between date instances. You have to have an instance where seconds are provided, or it is an instance of time.